students, in the series of learning MS Excel advanced features, today you are going to learn a new feature that is adding record using a data form. A data form is a handy dialog box we can use to type the data for each field in your table. That way we can enter one record at a time. See, a data form is an extremely simple way to add, delete, find, and browse through records. So, this is such a good feature given in MS Excel. Let's learn about this. See, I have taken this spreadsheet, which is a house detail of class 7th K. This is a simple table. Before now, I want to enter more and more records to this available list. There are only 4 records in this table, but there are 40 students in the class. So, how will I do more entries? It will be difficult to move scrolling down and then doing this. The more easy way is to use forms. So, how to use form? First of all, you have to select the table and convert into a database. So how will I do this? I have selected the table, go to insert, go to table and OK. Now it has become a database. You can see the drop down arrows, this filter arrows here. So that means it is a database. Now next thing is to do entries using forms. But when I click on data, there is no such option form here. And if I see on this quick access toolbar, again there is no form option available. So form automatically available नहीं होता है Excel में, वो हमें add करना होता है. How to add this? Go to file option, file tab. There is an option options. Click on this. Now you have two options. या तो आप कस्टमाइज रिबन पे जाके रिबन में इसे ऐड कर सकते हो या क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार में कर सकते हो. आई एम डूइंग इन द क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार. So how to do that? Quick access toolbar. On this popular command arrow, you have to select commands not in the ribbon. Now in this list, try to find form. So it is here. I have found it, form. Click on add. Now you can see there are 4 options available in the quick access toolbar. Click on OK. And here also it is available now. So how to use it? Click on this. It is ready to do entries. First record it is showing. If I click on new, it will be a blank form for me. Now I can easily enter more records. Suppose I click on first roll number. It is 5th roll number. Tab key. I'm using tab key to move to the next column. Name is Nancy. Then house is Raman. This way my entry is complete. Okay, I want to enter more, so I have clicked on new. See, this way now you can see here Nancy has been added and Raman is also there. One more record I will enter, roll number 6. Use tab key to come to the next column, write the name, tab key and write the house. And once your entries are complete, what you have to do? You have to click on close. So this way you have done all the entries in this. This is how you use form to enter records in your database. Now let's understand how to do editing in the records. Editing means you can change a record, you can delete a record, you can search for a particular record. How to do it with the help of forms? So first go to form. We have taken the form. It is open now. By default it will open the first record first of all. If you want to move forward, you have two options. Go to find next, or you can scroll down to move to the next record. Suppose your list is too long, you want a particular record to search, you can use criteria option. When you click on criteria, it becomes an empty form, nothing is written there. Suppose I am looking for roll number 22, so I will simply type 22 roll number here and click on find next. So it will search for the particular record which I want. I don't have to scroll up and down and use find next. So this is a simple way to find a particular record. Secondly, if you want to delete a record, how to do that? Suppose this record I want to delete. So click on delete. Before deleting, it will confirm you want to delete or by mistake you have done this. So you can click on OK if you really want to delete it. So I will click on OK. Now this record has been deleted from this. Now see, after 21 roll number there is 23. So one record has been removed. It has been deleted. Now suppose if you want to just make a change in a record, what entry you have done. Let's take an example of this number only, 23, roll number Shivani, but the house is wrong. So how to make changes? Double click on this, it will be selected, backspace and do the correction. Now suppose the house is Aryabhat. Now press enter. Now see, Shivani's house has been changed to Aryabhat. So this is the way you can make changes to your records anytime using forms. Lastly, when your all work is done, close this and check your list whether it is okay or not, whatever changes you have made. So that's it.